All right. So, guys, I have to talk to you guys about something very quickly. I purchased the AirPod Max and I am enjoying them thoroughly. I love everything about them. Aside from the color, I actually like the color, but there's a drawback to having a headband with a light color. You have the potential to get stains. And to make things worse, I have stained mine. I have locks, as you can see, so I put oils and different things in my head to, keep these intact. And when I say I have gotten some stains, take a look at these. Look at that. So you see they're not that noticeable with this bright light on it, but you can kind of see it. I will throw in some B-roll so you can see it better. It's not very, very good at all. You see, there's this staining that's happening in the net and around the headband part that is concerning because now I have to be careful with how I'm wearing this. I hit up support. I hit up Apple support, asked them about it. I said, hey, I tried to clean these per the instructions. I tried to clean them my way as well, and it's not cleaning. These are stained. And they said my options are to return them and repurchase the color that I want. So with that being said, I am either going to return these and get blue or return them and get black. But the drawback is I won't have a pair of Maxes and I will have to wait until March. That's just, it is what it is. I won't be able to get any other color until they come out. So with that being said, postponing the review on these, I will be sending these back. Very disappointed that the color stained. I knew it would get dirty, but I did not think it would stain. That is really the most frustrating part. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Apple, you got to do a little bit better with stuff like this. There's no reason why this shouldn't have been black. I mean, just make it black. Aesthetically, it looks amazing, but color-wise, it should have just been black. These earpieces are going to get dirty, but they're replaceable. I wouldn't have a problem with the headband part if it was replaceable, but it isn't. So, thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to give you guys a disclaimer, PSA. Throw this up there, and like I said, I'm gonna throw in some B-roll so you guys can get a good look at it and what I'm talking about. But with that being said, I hope all is well. Everyone stay safe, and as usual, stay up.